Hello friends, welcome to the 7th part of Hypnosis Learning Program. In the last episode, we understood about the different stages of hypnosis. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure to watch it. In this video, we will discuss the first type of hypnosis, which is called pre-talk. Pre-talk means the conversation that happens before the hypnosis session begins. We will also understand how to apply pre-talk in clinical hypnotherapy. First, let us understand pre-talk is done in the stage of hypnosis. In the stage of hypnosis, the people sitting in the front of you are not patients. They are there only for entertainment purpose. So we need to mentally prepare them to become ready for the hypnosis experience. So first of all, we need to remove the fear that people usually have about the word hypnotism. There are two ways to do this. Firstly, avoid using words like hypnotize or hypnotism. Instead, you can use alternative terms such as mind games, mind relaxation techniques, or similar words. Secondly, if you want to use the word hypnosis, then clearly mention that hypnosis is not a black magic or any kind of supernatural practice. It is a simple scientific process that has been developed to utilize the power of mind. You can also explain that hypnosis does not involve any mantra, black magic or mysterious power. It's completely based on psychological process and it can help you to create a positive change in your lives. At this stage, we should focus a little on the concept of mind power. Explain clearly what hypnosis is and what benefits a person can experience through it. The second important point is to explain people who are intelligent and highly focused can usually enter hypnosis very easily. If someone has difficulty in focusing, then it may simply take a little time more. Here psychology works in an interesting way. No person wants to prove themselves unintelligent. So internally, they start encouraging themselves by thinking, I want to prove them I am intelligent. This automatically increases their participation and cooperation during the hypnosis process. The third point is to create a positive expectation. You can explain that if they enter in a hypnotic state, that may experience a level of relaxation that they have never felt before in their lives. You can also explain that if they are facing any mind, body or soul related issues such as fear, stress, anxiety or negative thoughts, then hypnosis may help them overcome or reduce those problems. In clinical hypnotherapy, pre-talk becomes completely different. Here you do not need to speak too much. Instead, you need to listen more. Because to become a good healer or a therapist, it is very important to become a good listener. Nowadays, people often feel emotionally lonely. Many people do not have someone with whom they can openly share their pains, emotions, or struggles. That is why when a therapist genuinely listens to someone, sometimes almost 50% of the persons emotionally burdened already start feeling lighter. At this stage, you should ask some important questions such as why do you want hypnotherapy? How long you have been facing this problem? Did any specific incident happen after which this problem started? What are your expectations from this therapy session? When you ask this question, then persons start explaining their problem. They may speak for 10 minutes or even 15 minutes. Your job is to calmly listen to them without any judging them. If person tries to hide something, then you should not judge them. According to psychology, whenever a person lies, the truth still remains active inside the subconscious mind. There are two major reasons for asking these questions. The first reason is to understand why the person has come for therapy and which area needs healing or treatment. The second reason is that this process prepares the person for next stage, which is the trance state. In the trance state, the subconscious mind becomes more active and the process of auto-healing begins. When a person expresses their problem, emotions, incidents and expectations in front of a trusted authority figure such as therapist, all that information becomes deeply registered in the subconscious mind. For example, a person may say, I feel stressed, I experience anxiety, I feel fear, I have been facing this problem for last 3 months. The subconscious mind continuously captures all this information. Then we guide the person into a trance state. The subconscious mind automatically begins processing those problems. The process is called auto-healing. Sometimes if you leave the person in a deeply relaxed trance state for 15 to 20 minutes, emotional processing and healing continue automatically within the mind. In the method such as theta healing, a very similar process is followed. First, deep counseling takes place, where all the problems and emotions are discussed. After that, the person is guided into a deeply relaxed state. As a result, person often feels that many of their problems have become lighter, clearer, or easier to manage. That is why pre-talks plays a very important role in hypnotherapy. In the next video, we will discuss the next step in the detail. Thanks for watching this video.